Hi, I'm Lou. I'm a proud ruptured aneurysm survivor, and I started doing my YouTube channel after I survived the ruptured aneurysm. This is a really serious condition that needs uh say ang saon ko na kanang need jud siya dayon og special attention nga matagad dayon siya kay kung di matigok ka. For those who wants to support me, please follow my YouTube channel. I like to share my life as a ruptured aneurysm survivor, and also I wanna inspire other that even sa kanang lisod bitaw kay nga situation, there's still hope og nindot syud nga mabuhi kanang milagro para nako kani akong life karon is this is for me my life now. This is a miracle because tagsa ra makasurvive sa ruptured aneurysm dili, and some of people makasurvive pero na differential like something wrong na paralyzed or something na but ako I'm normal. The only thing lang na nakuan is kilay. Di na maisa kahit tungod sa nerve nga nakat pag surgery. So guys, I'm asking you to support me, to follow my YouTube channel because I wanna share this journey that I have, being so blessed that I'm still alive from the